Why learning Sango today? Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hermine and today I'm going to tell why you should learn Sango before going to Central Africa. The first reason is that the Sango language is the first representative element of the Central Africa culture. Central Africa is one of the few African countries which, beside of the colonial languages, still have an original language spoken by almost all the population. The territory of the Central African Republic is 623,000 kilometers square large, with a population of around 5 million. 38% of the population lives in urban areas, while over 62% is in rural areas, villages and small towns. The official languages of the country are French and Sango. The country has more than 80 ethnic groups, each speaking different dialects. However, the Central African population, despite its ethnic diversity, is unified by the Sango spoken by more than 90% of the population. The second reason to learn Sango is that Sango will help you to understand Central African culture as viewed by Central African people. Sango allows you to live the European aspect, a luxurious lifestyle imparted by the colonization, to come closer and to understand more the daily realities of the Central Africans. Unlike French, which for the most part is no longer spoken except in administrations, at school, or in restaurants, cafeterias, or pastry shops in the capital, Bangui. Sango is essential in the rest of the territory. It is spoken in the streets, in bars or nightclubs, at home, at the hospital, by street vendors, by singers, students or children, and especially when leaving urban areas to go to small towns and villages. Thus, learning Sango not only allows ease of communication when going outside of Bangui, but also allows you to understand the Central African Republic in the manner of the Central African people. The third reason why you should learn Sango when going to Central Africa is that Sango will help you to familiarize easily with the inhabitants of the country. When a foreigner speaks Sango, even just a little, when he tries to show interest for the Central African culture, he becomes more and more appreciated, especially by young people. Central African people are still not used to talk with foreigners. Apart from the diaspora, most of the local population do not have enough opportunity to get to know foreigners. This is due to the low rate of tourism in the country. Also, very few foreigners try to familiarize with the Central African population, and this in some cases doesn't help them so much. For example, for a street vendor, selling his products to a foreigner or someone who doesn't speak Sango is always profitable because this one could buy at a price slightly higher than the price that a Central African citizen speaking Sango would buy. And the last reason why you need absolutely to learn Sango is that being able to speak Sango with natives is one of the beautiful memories you can keep for Central African Republic. one of the best things you could remember the rest of your life. And wherever you go, if you happen to meet a Central African, simply tell him, Mbibaramo Itachini, and he will answer you, Mbibaramonga Itachini, with a smile. So, we are at the end of this video. Do not forget to like, to share, and if you have any question, let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Bye!